Ooh, forgot someone's birthday? That's never fun. Let's walk through a post-closing follow-up system that helped one of our agents land 3 listings within 60 days of closing, all from past customers. So here we are in Command, in our contacts database, on the contact record that we represented in a buyer closing yesterday. Yes, another closing. Don't they say coffee's for closers? First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and log that as a meeting right here on the timeline. Post dating it to April 26th, our closing date, and then adding the activity. Next, I'm gonna use the edit pencil icon right here to add in some missing information. First, I'm gonna remove active, and we're going to mark using the tag closed buyer, forever customer. I'm also going to add the year closed buyer 2022. Next, we're gonna add in some additional information that we learned post-closing, add in the new address. We'll mark it as the mailing address. I'm also going to add in the customer's birthday, which I learned at closing, and we're gonna add the home anniversary date. Then we're gonna press save at the bottom of the screen. A couple of things have happened automatically in the background. Right now, you'll see first in the top left-hand corner, the health score for this contact record has increased to 96%. The health score represents how much of the key information do you have collected from that individual contact record, helping you to maintain a healthy relationship. You also see the new tags that we have here, and over on the right-hand side, on our SmartPlans tab, we see that we have a Smart Plan that's been added. Right here, the quarterly call plan. The quarterly call plan is a follow-up system helping to remind me to call this contact record every 90 days. The closed buyer 2022 tag is set up to automatically trigger that smart plan in the background. I want to add a few other follow-up plans using this add to smart plan option. We're going to add in the home anniversary, confirming to start it now. I'm going to add in a birthday smart plan. And then last, but certainly not least, we're going to add them to the monthly neighborhood nurture smart plan. Now we have this contact on 4 individual smart plans. The monthly neighborhood nurture one is really unique. On the left-hand side of the screen, you see where it says Laureate Park right here in our primary neighborhood. That actually was populated from adding in the contact's primary mailing address. The monthly neighborhood nurture is going to send a monthly sales update using the most recent statistics of homes for sale, active and average days on market. I can use right here this add neighborhood button so we can help Henry stay in tune with not only the neighborhood he lives in, but maybe some surrounding areas. We'll use the find on map option and zoom in a little bit closer where we can see all of the available neighborhood boundaries. This pin represents the home right here inside of Laureate Park, and we're gonna add some of the neighborhoods surrounding Laureate. Every single month when that monthly neighborhood nurture goes out, Henry is going to be updated on the sales data in the neighborhood not only that he lives in, but some of the surrounding neighborhoods as well. In addition to that, I'll be reminded every year to celebrate his birthday with a card reminder 5 days before, a phone call the day before, and some great messages that are gonna be sent out on his actual birthday. Same thing for the home anniversary, along with a quarterly call, 1 call every 90 days that I can be reminded to complete. Using a follow-up system helps to make sure that we don't miss any of those important dates and keeps us top of mind with all of our past customers. Hey, we're just getting started. Why don't you check out one of these videos right over here? Oh, don't mind me, just checking the Command app, see what tasks I have on the agenda for today. Ooh, looks like I got one of those quarterly call reminders. I'm gonna need to take this.